Social media controversy. Very dark man accuses Madam Saje of endorsing unregistered skin brightening soap. A very known social media analyst, Very Dark Man, has caused a stir by calling out veteran actress Fausat Balogun, also known as Madam Saje, for promoting a skin brightening soap and questioning if the product is safe. Madam Saje recently shared a video where she supported the skin brightening soap, claiming it could make your skin brighter. In response to Madam Saje's video, Very Dark Man accused her of endorsing a beauty product that might not meet the necessary standards. He claimed the soap does not have the required registration from Dack, the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, based on his investigation. This is not the first time Madam Saje has faced criticism for endorsing such products. She previously received mixed reaction on social media for similar endorsements. People online had various reactions, with some jokingly warning Madam Saje that Very Dark Man was going to criticize her. Many wondered if the soap had Dack approval and urge culture. The controversy is ongoing as people wait for more information about the endorsement and the product safety. While the actress has not yet responded to the allegations, this incident highlights the importance of ensuring that any health or beauty product is registered and approved by the relevant authorities. As consumers, we should always do our research to ensure that the products we use are safe and effective. Thanks for being part of Ododo TV today. We love you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that like button. Go to the comment section and say something about the allegation used against Madam Saje. Share this video to your loved ones. Stay tuned for more interesting stories. See you next time.